Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking to the skies with a look at the top 4 RC airplanes you can get your hands on in 2025. We'll be covering a range of options from beginner-friendly models to more advanced setups for seasoned pilots. So buckle up, grab your aviator sunglasses, and let's take off into the world of RC aviation. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we're kicking things off with the VOLANTEXR RC Airplane, a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced pilots. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience under your belt, this model has something to offer. Right out of the box, you'll notice the sleek and aerodynamic design. It's clear that a lot of thought has gone into making this airplane not just functional but also visually appealing. This bird is powered by a brushless motor, which is a significant upgrade over traditional brushed motors, offering more power, longer flight times, and smoother operation. This means you can enjoy extended flying sessions without worrying about frequent recharges. The VOLANTEXR RC comes fully assembled, so you can be ready to fly in minutes. No need to spend hours putting pieces together, so you can be ready to fly in minutes. Just charge the battery, and you're good to go. You get a 4-channel remote control, which is intuitive and easy to use, giving you precise control over the plane's movements. We're talking aileron, elevator, rudder, and throttle control. Everything you need for smooth takeoffs, graceful landings, and impressive aerial maneuvers. Whether you're performing loops, rolls, or just cruising, this remote has you covered. The VOLANTEXR RC measures in at 20 inches by 16 inches, making it a compact yet capable aircraft, providing a good balance of stability and agility. This size is perfect for maintaining control while still being nimble enough for fun maneuvers. It's not too small to get tossed around by the breeze, so you can fly it in various weather conditions without much hassle, but also not so large that it's difficult to transport or store. You can easily fit it in your car trunk or carry it to your favorite flying spot. The VOLANTEXR RC comes in at $179.99. It's an affordable option for those looking to get into the hobby or upgrade their current setup. That's a competitive price point, especially considering the features: the brushless motor, the fully assembled design, the 4-channel remote. You're getting a lot of value for your money. Overall, the VOLANTEXR RC is an excellent all-around RC airplane, perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. It's versatile, reliable, and fun to fly. It's a lot of bang for your buck. With its combination of features and affordability, it's hard to beat. Ready to take off? The VOLANTEXR RC has you covered. Get yours today and start enjoying the skies. Next up, we have the HobbyZone AeroScout S2, a fantastic choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of RC flight. This plane is all about accessibility and ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. One standout feature is HobbyZone's safe technology, which helps prevent crashes and keeps your plane in the air. It limits the bank and pitch angles, preventing sharp, sudden movements that can lead to a crash. Safe technology also includes panic recovery mode. Release the control sticks and the plane returns to level flight. The AeroScout S2 is constructed from durable foam material designed to withstand bumps and bruises. It comes in at $199.99, a solid price point for a beginner-friendly plane with these safety features. However, the battery and charger are sold separately. If you're starting your RC flying journey, the HobbyZone AeroScout S2 is worth considering. It's like having a patient instructor guiding you through your first flights. Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the E-flite UMX WACO, a model that beautifully bridges the gap between the past and the present. This is more than just an RC airplane, it's a tribute to classic aviation design, a nod to the golden age of flight. The UMX WACO is modeled after the iconic WACO biplanes of the 1930s, known for their graceful lines and stunning aesthetics. These planes were a marvel of their time, capturing the imagination of aviation enthusiasts worldwide. E-flite has captured that vintage charm with this model, from the bright yellow paint scheme to the detailed cockpit and landing gear. Every element has been meticulously crafted to reflect the original design, but don't let the classic looks fool you. Under the hood, the UMX WACO is packed with modern RC technology. It's a perfect blend of old-world charm and new-age innovation. We're talking AS3X and safe technology, designed to make your flight smoother and more enjoyable. These advanced systems ensure that even novice pilots can handle the plane with ease. BEZGAR is a gyroscopic stabilization system that helps counteract wind and turbulence, providing a stable flight experience even in less than ideal conditions. Safe technology acts as your electronic co-pilot, preventing extreme positions that can lead to a loss of control. It's like having an extra layer of security during your flights. The UMX WACO is a BNF basic model, meaning it comes with everything you need except for the transmitter, battery, and charger. This allows you to customize your setup according to your preferences. It comes in at $179.99, a price that reflects its quality and the technology packed inside. Considering the attention to detail, build quality, and inclusion of AS3X and safe technology, it's a reasonable price. You're getting a lot of value for your money. The E-flite UMX WACO is a fantastic choice for pilots who appreciate classic aviation design and want a plane that's as enjoyable to look at as it is to fly. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern performance, making it a standout in the world of RC aviation. Finally, let's talk about the BEZGAR drone, a fantastic option for younger pilots, or anyone looking for a budget-friendly entry point into the world of RC flight. This drone is perfect for kids who are just starting out and want to experience the thrill of flying without breaking the bank. Now, I know what you're thinking, a drone isn't exactly an airplane, but it offers a similar kind of flying experience and is just too much fun not to include. The BEZGAR drone is designed to be engaging and entertaining, making it a great way for kids to learn the basics of flight. One of the things that makes the BEZGAR great for kids is its durability. It's built to withstand the inevitable crashes and bumps that come with learning to fly. It's designed to withstand crashes and bumps that come with learning to fly. The propellers are protected by guards and the body is made from tough, impact-resistant material. The propellers are protected by guards and the body is made from tough, impact-resistant material. This means that even if your child has a few mishaps, the drone will keep on flying. The BEZGAR drone is super easy to control, featuring a 6-axis gyro for excellent stability and maneuverability. This makes it perfect for beginners who are still getting the hang of flying. For nighttime flights, it has colorful LED navigation lights, making it easier to track in low-light conditions. These lights not only look cool, but also help in keeping the drone visible. The BEZGAR drone comes in at an incredibly affordable $46.54. This price point makes it accessible for many families. For the price of a video game, you can give your child the gift of flight and open up a whole new world of fun and excitement. Imagine the joy on their face as they take to the skies for the first time. That wraps up our look at the top 4 RC airplanes and drones of 2025. From the smooth and versatile VOLANTEXR RC to the beginner-friendly HobbyZone AeroScout S2, the classically styled E-flite UMX WACO, and the budget-friendly BEZGAR drone, there's something out there for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more top product lists and reviews. See you in the next one.